Hello, my friends. I hope you are doing well. Let's start our English session. Are you ready? I will discuss three concepts and three meanings of three words: hurricane, watch, and visualization. Let's start. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. The first word here is visualization. 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 Visualization make a picture in your mind based on what is read or told. For example, it was a beautiful day at the beach, and I imagined that, and I remember that. Okay? Like this girl, she remembers and imagine that picture. So visualization, it's a mental process. Everything we read begin as a thought. Every action, every word, every human creation exists first in our imagination. So visualize means to imagine. The second word here is watch. Watch. The watch helps us know the time. Okay, and this picture is a clock. Okay, so clock or watch helps us to know the time. The watch helps us to know the time, or the clock helps us know the time. And these are forms of watch. So watch helps us know the time. I want to ask you now, what is the time? Can you tell me what is the time now? Yes, it's 1 o'clock. Yes, super great. The next word here is hurricane. Hurricane. Hurricane means a powerful storm with a violent wind. So, hurricane is an extremely large, powerful, and destructive storm with very strong winds that occurs especially in the western part of the Atlantic Ocean. And now, watch this video to distinguish the storm and hurricane. These are realistic situations for hurricane. Can you see it? Yes. And so repeat with me. Hurricane. Hurricane. Yeah. Yes. Hurricane. Hurricane. Okay. And now it's your turn to do your homework. Yes. Your turn. Explain the meaning of the following words: bones, skeleton, and heartbeats. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.